Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the graph for indexing subgraph queries, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing the graph for indexing subgraph queries, first, ensure that you have Node.js installed on your machine. Visit the official Node.js website and download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions to set it up. Next, confirm that Node.js and npm are installed by opening your terminal and typing node-v and npm-v. Both commands should return version numbers. After that, install the Graph CLI globally by entering the command npm install g at graphprotocol/graphcli. This will allow you to interact with the graph tools from your terminal. Now, create a new directory for your project using the command dir mysubgraph and navigate into it with cd mysubgraph. To begin setting up your subgraph, run graph init in the terminal. Follow the prompts to fill in details such as the name of your subgraph and the network you'll be using. Next, you'll want to create the manifest file for your subgraph. This file defines your data source, the events to listen for, and the entities to populate. Open the subgraph.yaml file in your code editor and configure the data source according to your smart contract specifications. Make sure to add the correct contract addresses and event definitions. Once you've set up your manifest, create your GraphQL schema by editing the schema.graphql file. Define your entities within this schema to ensure they match your data model. Afterward, implement the mapping logic to handle the events defined in your schema. This logic is stored in the src/mapping.ts file. In this file, write the code to transform incoming data into your defined entities. Once your code is written, compile the project by running graphcodegen and graphbuild in your terminal. These commands will generate necessary TypeScript bindings and build your subgraph. To deploy your subgraph, first, authenticate with the Graph's hosted service using GraphAuth and your access token. Then, deploy your subgraph with the command graph deploy studio your username/your subgraph. This process will publish your subgraph to the hosted service of the graph. Once the deployment is complete, monitor the indexing process on the dashboard provided by the graph. After indexing is done, you can start querying your subgraph using GraphQL. Make sure to test your queries to ensure everything is set up correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the graph and indexed your subgraph queries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.